And hello, welcome everyone to the first official day of the 0 to 100k challenge. Let's see if everything's working. Should be, hopefully. Let me know if you can hear me. So yeah, this is day 1. Yesterday we had the 0. We're programmers, so we're starting with 0, right? But it was more of a testing kind of thingy. All right. Hello. Okay, good. I can see people in the chat, which means that we're live. Awesome. All right. Good. So let's see what are the plans for today. Which well, basically this is something we should consider from now on, to have like every day at the end to make the plan for the following day of work. Okay. Hello, and welcome. Good. Yeah, so I created since yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, this seems big enough. Let's go over roughly what we did yesterday. So in the daily recap, yesterday, basically we started a challenge, went over some ideas and plans. I did a live stream, created the thumbnail for the live stream and the one you can see today also. Wrote an article on the blog, which is the sort of the main article for this challenge. Yeah, also created this Notion document and we converted it to a paid product on Gumroad. And if someone would like to buy this and get access to everything, all the resources we're going to use, the recaps, the to-dos, the ideas, pretty much everything, they can purchase it for $5 and they'll have access. Maybe someone doesn't want to spend hours watching the stream, so they can just have access to it and yeah, save some time. And if we go to the analytics side and change the product to this, you can see that we already sold for $40. We sold 4 copies, which is amazing. So yeah, we're already $40 in the challenge. Only $99,960. Yeah, so I see someone asks some questions. Let me share in the chat. Here is the blog post where you can read about this challenge. I'm going to add more details to this. And if you're interested to check out this first info product we created, you can get it through that link. I think, and let me know if I'm right, in the description, can you see the links too in the description of the video? I'm going to check my channel to see. So here, yeah, so the notes, the challenge playlist, the blog. I should change this to be the challenge blog post. Yeah, good morning. Hello. What is 0 to 100k? Yeah, as I said, this is a challenge where we're going from 0 to making $100,000 using anything we can find, like ideas. We're building projects, we're selling stuff, we'll market stuff, or yeah. Scott says, so if I give you $100,000 now, you stop? Well, I'll do it again. That will be a nice thing, though. Also, at the same time, I have my breakfast, so yeah, this is a shake, a protein shake, which I get pretty much every morning. It has protein, so that's good. So, cheers. All right. Now, yeah, I wrote since yesterday. I created this to-dos kind of board where we're going to keep track of, well, the to-dos. So what we did, what we're doing, and all that. Basically, you will be building live projects. Yes, that's the idea of this challenge. Okay, gonna donate $50K. Let's see what happens. I doubt you will, but you're welcome to do. Awesome, good. Now so I tried not to work on the challenge while being offline because I want to do everything live. These live streams will be recorded and you'll find a playlist in the description where you can see all the live streams. And also daily I'll create a recap. I create a recap video of what we did in the corresponding day. So like, for example, today's recap will be that we made 8 cells. So that's not a lot, but it's $40. We took like, I don't know, half an hour to make this project, and yeah, it's nice. Hey Scott, thanks for hanging out with us. Take care and have fun. What are the prerequisites for this challenge? I don't know. Nothing, I guess. I don't know. So I'm doing this challenge on my own, kind of. So it's kind of a test for myself. You can follow along. You can get inspired by the projects we're going to build and build your own projects. As I said yesterday, I don't think it would be wise to copy the projects and just sell the same thing, because then we'll be just fighting on the same market, and I have an audience which might help a bit, so it will null out if you copy the exact project. But you can take ideas and can build new projects. So how about selling purple lemonade? Yeah, that's not something we can do online, can we? Will you be making multiple projects? Yes, that's the idea. So I don't want to work only on some big project, which might have the chance to make a lot of money, but might be a lot of work. I'd rather try to build smaller projects, multiple small projects, and see if I can document it. Okay, let me put some music. So we have background music, something, whenever I'm not talking. Let me know if it's too loud or something. And don't mind me eating my breakfast. Well, drinking my breakfast, I guess. This is something I have to drink. So, cheers. All right. Okay, I had some ideas I forgot to add to the to-do list. Hey, Francisco, thank you very much for the donation. You're great. I still don't know yet if, I think it's a bit too loud. Just a second. I need to turn this down. All right. Hey, Steven, welcome. Just give me a second. So these live streams will be kind of random me. You'll see everything. That's what I'm excited about this, because you'll see the whole journey. I'm not sure. I've seen a lot of people who are building in public, but I don't know if someone does something like this, where they just do everything. Yeah, thanks. Thanks. I've read your book, very good, and I'm doing YouTube videos now. Awesome. Have fun. All right, so as I said, today I'd want to be about doing more research, planning the project we're going to start on, or the projects, and yeah, I also want to work a bit on spreading the news about this challenge. I think it has potential, and yeah, let's use that. Hey, Big Dan. Good morning. Well, good afternoon, I think, for you. Have you thought about making e-commerce templates and selling them? Yes, we have that on the list too. All right, let me just put down some things I want to do today. So create the Indie Hackers page for the challenge. I want to add a products page on Make Money Dev. So on our blog here, I'd like to, basically I'm going to have a daily recap on this blog, but next here to the blog side, I'd like to have a products link and just have all the products we'll be working on. So if someone wants to check them out, they can go here, click, and yeah. Good. If someone wants to help me with something, I don't know if my if this works anymore. Can someone try to subscribe? Because it's built with ConvertKit, but I didn't see any subscribers lately, and I'm wondering if it's not working anymore. You confirmed your subscription now. You just did. It's weird because it says 0 subscribers. I'm wondering why. Let me try to... Yeah, so as you can see... So I have 1,000 subscribers, but this is since March. And 0 subscribers lately. Which is weird because, like you said, that you just subscribed. So yeah, I'm wondering if that's because I have to upgrade. I've got a bug. Email quarantine. Email is quarantined? Really? Well, something we need to figure out. Let's write it down in the to-dos. Figure out why email sub doesn't work. You subbed yesterday. Hey, so something's wrong. Maybe I need to pay? The idea is I haven't sent any emails yet, so I didn't want to pay before like sending. Sub but no email. All right, so this will be a priority. Okay, so products page on MMD, update the MMD blog post. I also want to add some extra information for the page. And yeah, sorry. The last thing today will be so today is Friday, I won't be live tomorrow and Sunday. So for Monday, I'd like to have a list of to-dos. So create a list of important tasks for Monday. All right, so if we can go over this, it'd be great. I think it's a bug sub just now. You have to upgrade your ConvertKit account because you crossed 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, but it says that I have to upgrade if I want to enable sending. Right? It's weird. Weird. Oh, yeah, awesome. Okay, let's go in the daily recaps and create the day 1, which will be today. This will keep track of things here, and we have the ideas where today I think we're going over the ideas again and try to polish the ideas as much as possible and have create an MVP for the project. Like, okay, let's say we want to create this QuizyDev. As you can see, we already have some information about this project. But what would be the MVP of the project? So if we would be to build the project, what would be the minimum viable product we would need to have? Okay, thanks, Razvan. I don't know. I'll check that out too. Maybe upgrade your account. Start the free trial. We can sponsor you on GitHub too. I don't know if I got the GitHub sponsor thing. For now, the sponsor will be, I'll have here on the blog the gold sponsors and silver sponsors. I have to figure out what will be the perks and what will be the price for this. And these sponsors will fall into the challenge. Another thing I got, so for the to-dos, we need a way to track the income. What would be, so a progress page for the challenge, including the income. So maybe a nice chart which will have all the income sources and the revenue, and they'll add them up and links, and yeah, that could be also something. Okay. Like a piggy bank, yeah. I had for those of you who watched yesterday, I had a page. I mean, I guess if I go to earnings, you can see the earnings, which I updated till 24 February. And you could click on it and see, okay, blah, 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 what you got. Oh, and I want another thing. I'd like you to be able to see the analytics of the blog. Allow visitors to see analytics of the blog. They have a nice link. Just let me check it out. So it's Plausible. I really like them. So let's see. Can I have? Yeah, I honestly don't want to do the challenge in one day. Yeah, so if you go to this website, you'll be able to see everything, all the the analytics for the blog. So if you go today, you can see poop, a huge spike since I went live. Stack for the blog is Next.js. Oh, I don't like this sound. Okay. No, good. I said no, which is a Romanian slang. All right, let's go to Indie Hackers and start with the first task. For those of you who don't know, Indie Hackers is great place where you can find people working on all sorts of ideas, creating projects, selling, buying, growing, marketing, so pretty much everything. What we do now in a large scale. And you can find people sharing their income. Let's see, 0 to, I don't know, just a random user. 0 to users, let's see. Do they have products? 0 to users and followers. You can see subscribers and they share stats and everything. Or you can go to, can we find our vid? Users. Yeah, this is my buddy Badar vid, and he has Feedback Panda who made 55k a month from this SaaS business, and he sold it later. Google AdSense for the blog, you mean? Putting ads on the blog? I'd rather use the blog as a way to sell product, like people can buy my ebook or will get sponsors to fill in the spots. I just need to figure out the price for the sponsors and the perks. But so far I'm thinking the gold ones will be $500 a month with a tweet included or something like that, and the silver ones $150. So yeah, the blog doesn't have a lot of traffic now, but I can leverage the Twitter audience also, and could pay off. Okay, so back to as you can see, I have here products. I forgot to update them. Yeah, I need to add here 100k and here 20k in revenue and make money dev. Yeah, this is the blog. I forgot to update the milestones. But yeah, let's create another product. What's the name of the product? 0 to 100k challenge. Describe it in a few words. I often forget what I'm doing. So let's go to here and copy this. Can I? Okay. This will be nice because people can check out they might check out the streams and the videos, so we get more visitors. So what's the URL? I guess I can put this. Up to 100k revenue. Challenge. Let's see. I'm starting at $1 and work my way up to 100 revenue. Okay. Let's go. Motivation. Why does it exist? I guess I can take from the blog. Let's put this. Okay, links. Oh, I guess I put my own Twitter. Start day. We started yesterday. End date not yet. Hello, welcome. Location. No, I don't need anything. Founder's code. Solo founder. Under 10 employees. It's just me and maybe someone else. Business model. Oh, what is it? Sales and transaction, subscription, advertisement, commission, maybe this. How have you funded? How have you funded? Self-funded. Yeah, no fund, no yearly, no fund. I guess the end date would work for a project which is already over. Where's the music? Why did it stop? Okay. Initial commitments, kind of. Well, this is. I won't do many projects beside this, but I'd say it's a side project for now. Project built for. I guess. Web. What's happening? We're working. All right, tags. Let's see. Programming, writing. We have the articles. Let's see. Social media, sales, SaaS, maybe. Open source. Movies. Okay. So many things. Growth, we want to go from 0 to 100k. Education, email marketing, sure. Advertising, yeah, I guess. Community, yeah, important content. Good. E-commerce, maybe we'll build an e-commerce site. Okay. Anyone browsing? Yeah, I guess that should be good. We'll need an icon. Let's remove these. And we're going to share the milestones whenever we'll have a milestone. Probably milestones for this challenge will be revenue. 1k, 5k, 1k, 2k, 5k, 10k, 20, so on. Okay. Revenue. Currently, well, I guess I can put $40 because we sold for $40. And visitors. Sorry. On June. Oh, yesterday was 17. Yeah. Launched the challenge. Live stream on YouTube. Yeah. Launch the challenge on live stream. On a live stream. Went live on YouTube. On my YouTube channel and launched and officially let me zoom in a bit, maybe some of you don't see, and officially launched the challenge. Also created the first paid product, a Notion document. I guess without parentheses, and sold the first copies. Today is 18. Yeah, but I started yes. I guess we can put today as be the official first day. All right, I need a link to my channel. Where is it? And pop. Okay. Whoa, such a big face. Remove image. Okay. First copies. First Notion document containing all the information about the challenge and the progress. All right, good. Hello, Alex. Awesome. So we have this, we have that. Now we need to be approved, and voila, we need an icon. Let's go to Canva and create an icon. Something very basic. 600 by 600. Let's make it purple because why not? And just have a text, a big text saying 0 to 100K. And make it pop-ins. For those of you who follow me for a while, you should know that I pop-ins. Where is it? Bold. All right. Make it big. Like that. Probably the line spacing a bit smaller. Make it white. Center it. All right. 0 to 100K. And they should be fine. What do you think? Okay. Now we can use this here. Oh boy. Where is it? Logo. Hopefully it looks nice. It doesn't work. Well, I don't know. Save changes. Okay, so that's it for this task. Let's go to the to-do. Well, we can move it to in progress and then done. I'm wondering if we can have a way to like see when it was done. Not drop shipping, it's all kind of content. You find an article, I guess the blog post. Where is it? You can read about the challenge here. All right, my breakfast is done. Okay. Let's work on this next. You can add date with range if I'm not mistaken. Oh, on a Notion. So you can add properties like a date. Oh, last edited time. Yeah, look at that. That should be good. And can we see it? I really like Notion. I just need to figure out properties. No. Okay, so we have this property status. Okay, assign, no. Hey, don't say it. Status assign name property. Oh, yeah. You just need to rename this to last edit. All right, so now we can see when we move things around. Thank you, Afri. I appreciate it. All right. I guess we can have it color coded and stuff like that, but good. Now, updated MMD blog post. I want to read it again and add some more details to the blog post. So let me put this here. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Goku. It's fine. I don't need it. Good. So that's done. That's done. This should be done. Okay. This is. I don't want to see all the projects. Just that. Whoa! Another cell. Awesome. Yeah. 27 minutes ago. Pretty cool. Yeah, so this is what I'd like to try. To build small projects, but with value, so that the main idea would be something like, okay, I am willing to pay $10, $20 or something, not a lot of money, for a product which can save me an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, you know? That's the question I want to find an answer to. Because that way, it could be something of a kind of a low time commitment from my side, but could have potential to, like, if you build multiple projects like this or products like this, over time they will add up, right? And we're going to let me write this down too. Create a income prediction and calculation. Okay. And let's put this down here. I just want to play around with some numbers and see, okay, how many products, what price, which you sell in order to achieve the 100K. Just play with some numbers and kind of figure out what would be the right way to go. Okay, let me open VS Code again and edit the... What is this? Do you trust the authors of the files in this folder? Code provides features that are not... Okay. I guess I trust? Oh, new update. Oh, okay. All right. The king is back. Hey, buddy. Yeah, the king is not me, but I'm back. All right. So let's think. I said I want to update the blog post. So what would you be interested in knowing about this project? when you go, I want this article to be the source of, well, to have all the questions answered, right? If you're wondering what is he doing, well, what I am doing, and what is this about, I just want to have everything here. Because over time, I feel like this will be an article which will be read more and more, especially if more people find out about the challenge. Okay. I'll be going live every work day or weekday. How do you call it? Weekday, Monday to Friday, usually from 10 a.m. Romania time. Okay. I'm also going to document the entire journey of the project which I'm building on this blog. Alright, good. So that's it. The projects. When it comes to the projects which I'm going to build, put time zone. Yeah, UTC +3, but in October I need to remember to change this because it will change. When it comes to the project which I'm going to build, I'm aiming at small to medium-sized projects which can yeah, I already did something yesterday. So I have this Notion page, and if you're interested, you can yeah, buy access to it, and this will have everything that's going on. So for those who don't want to like watch me live for a couple of hours every day and just want to see everything what's going on in a formatted document kind of, and the ideas, and I'll have resources and everything. Yeah, I'll just sell the access for $5. Yeah, Ogre, it's nice. I'm aiming to create small to medium-sized projects which no, it's 100k and they're done. Yeah. Which have potential to scale easily without a lot of time commitment. Please provide for free. You already have for free the live stream, so if you really want, you can watch the live streams and you'll see me go over the document. So it saves time. That's why I'm selling the document, because it saves time for those who don't want to go over the live streams or they lost something. Plus, it will be a document where I'm going to also add resources and everything. You can find the projects that I'm working on here, which will be /projects. Let's see if this works. npm run dev, and we need to create a /projects project. What is the payment processor gateway you're using? I'm working with Gumroad now because I already have an account there, and it's easy for me to sell stuff. I just create a product, as I did this with this, and add details, images, and done. And the nice thing is also covers VAT, or how do you call it, which is required in Europe. So okay, project here. Does it work? Awesome. So we need to create a products page now. The potential to scale is without a lot of time commitment. Good. That I created or I'm working on here. Again. Hey Catalin, yeah, it will be a daily thing now, except the weekends. Okay. Yeah, I guess then this FAQ won't make sense. Something along the lines of I can remove this. Okay. What else should I add? Catalin, you are the master of writing, so okay. Okay. Yeah. I guess that's it for now. There should be. If I'll have some other ideas, I'll add to it later. Add my Twitter handle. No. All right. Yeah, that's it. Let's work on these products or projects. This is how I called it, right? Projects. I still don't feel 100% okay with how I phrased everything, but we'll tweak it. By the way, my blog is on GitHub, so if you have ideas, we can. Hey, Catalin. Thanks. If you multiply that by 100, I will. Yeah. What I wanted to do? Yeah, the project. So slash projects, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me get the earnings layout. Put it here. We don't need the earnings style. The income. Projects. Okay. Projects. Yeah. Come on. How much is that? $250. We both know that that's worth way much. Way more? Yeah, much more. Okay, so this will be projects. Okay. Projects. You can keep that. Projects built during the 0 to 100k challenge. URL/projects. Oh, I need an image. Projects. Oh boy, I need an image and I don't have my images. Bummer. Oh, I need to ask Anna to build the. Let me send her. I have a designer who helped me with these, so I need some help. Or do I have the images? Where they are? Yeah, I'll share in a second who built the images for me. Just need to see if I have the. I don't have. Yeah, so Anna built the images for me. Where's Anna? Anna. Just move the image to cam and change the text maybe. Yeah, I don't have the template, that's it. I only have the image, you know. So and I don't have the. Well, I guess this is just the image which will show if someone shares the page. So it's not that important, but I guess I can use the homepage for now. All right, and here we need to add the projects. Now let's think. You have the pop, you can rebuild it. Yeah, but I don't have this pattern. So, and yeah, it will be hard for me to do exactly like this. I contacted her and she will just change the text. If she has the template, it will be easy. All right, so projects. Let's go to the website. Oh boy, so many things here. Hey, look, I had this already. Okay, to this. Yeah, I guess I can go to localhost. And we need to figure out how the page should look like. So for now we have one project, which is nice. Let me add, so projects. Let me add this to the, where is it, the nav? And we have /projects and the label projects. All right, look, so now we have this. And here I'm thinking maybe just some tiles with the image. Oh, I remembered something. What was it? Scale the images. Or, well, I think that this image right now is a bit too big. Need to optimize the image. Scare the images. No, I don't want to scale anything. Optimize. Okay, good. Yeah, let me, while I'm still here, I saw this, and this is an easy thing to do. We did this. Come on. Add the products page, we're working on this. And that link is easy to add, just here near the privacy policy. So in the footer, right? Yeah. Or should I add the link? Nah, it's fine. Let's just copy paste this and say slash. Oh no. It goes to. I shared the link. Since it's on GitHub, we'll be accepting pull request. Yeah, probably. I shared the link. Where is it? Plausible. All right. Website stats. Ooh. So we need to put this in a div. So then they will be pushed the same. And now maybe some space around them. Class space X for class name. Okay. And I guess I can put this here. So yeah, now if you go to the site and click on this, doesn't work. Let's see, target blank, right? Yeah. Okay, but why isn't not? Huh. Oh, that's weird. It adds it to the. All right. Maybe on the main website will not. Weird. Why is it not opening the correct link? My watch said that I need to get up, so let's do that. Hey Francisco, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, so I don't know why this is not going to the correct link. Huh. That's weird. I mean, this goes. Yeah, this works. Why doesn't this work? Does anyone see the issue? I mean, it has HTTPS. A class target, pretty much the same thing. Maybe it's a bug. Yeah, I have no idea why this happens. Yeah, the Twitter link works fine, goes to Twitter. But this not. Huh. I have no idea. Why doesn't it want to go to... Anywho, I'm spending too much time on this. We'll revisit it. All right, so the networks goes to projects. Maybe the HTTPS needs to be in localhost. Maybe add the trailing in the end of the link. Huh, is that a thing? But nah, it doesn't have, this doesn't have it either, so. I mean, it's weird because it's pretty much the same thing, right? HTTPS colon //, right? And I mean, yeah, let's just change this to youtube.com. Let's build it again. It's weird and annoying. Oh well. If I move the link here, the same thing. I have no idea what's going on. Oh, makemoney.dev. Oh, I think this is the issue. No, because youtube.com was good. No idea. Anywho, I need the earnings title. This, this to put it in projects, and it says projects. Should have the same title now. Projects, awesome. And now, a list of projects which should have the image, the link, check class name, could be reading it as two links together instead. Trailing. Does it matter? Yeah, I mean, kind of, because it doesn't go to the right link, you know? Hey, Darius. But yeah, we'll fix it. I think it's a simple ref. I mean, yeah, but let me copy paste this and just change this to this and this to this. Maybe I'm missing something, I don't know. No. Doesn't work. And I need to see the classes, how they look. On mobile. Oh. This. Try removing the slash at the end. Yeah, we had it without, so it's really weird, right? Because it should work. I mean, come on, this works and this doesn't. What's going on? It's fine, but it's caching from the bar, so it will work fine when the session closes. Okay. I'll try that too. This is a new session, right? Because it's a new browser. Or is it? No. I'll trust you with this one. I think when we'll push, it should work. I mean, come on. All right. So let's see. How should the tiles of the project look like? The image. Maybe just the image. It's even possible to open a link with 2 dots. What 2 dots? Oh, yeah. I mean, this works. If you go to the link, even you can go to the link, and you can see the stats for the website. If you go here, image title. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. We have something like this here. So image title. I think I'll use this format. Right? That should work. So let me find the sidebar. Oh, and this kind of block. So let's create a component. Project block JS. And it will be const project block. Let's see if I remember to write React. Export default project block. It's been a while since I wrote. And here we can get the link, image, and the title. So this will be the link, background purple, I guess, okay. Source, this will be image URL. Whoa, too big, sorry, I can't do that big. URL, and this will be the title. Hey, good morning. Ctrl-C and run npm dev again. Yeah, I won't worry too much. Okay, so now let me import this in index and export it because that's how I roll. Project block from project. I copied wrong. Paste. And we want this. All right, and now we go to projects. And here we need import project block. Is it still from components? I forgot what I did. So yeah, components. So just here, project block. And let's use this here, project block, and we need title to be, I don't know, one of you, Joshua, and whoops, image will be slash image.jpg, and then we also have link, right? Image URL, this is image URL. And yeah, let me check again. Link will be something like, I don't know, https gumroad or gum.co slash, that's fine. All right, let's see if this works. Okay, so yeah, pretty nice. We just need the good image, the link, and the right title. So this will be the first project will be the one we did yesterday. So the Notion template, 0 to 100K challenge notes, like that. We need the, which one should we use? Hello. Notion templates. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this cover, right? Or this thumbnail. Let me create another folder here, which will be projects. And here we're going to have, where is it? 0 to 100K Gumroad cover. I guess I could put this, and I'll change this to notes. That's fine because we know the project notes. Okay, so URL. Oh, wait, here. Slash projects slash notes.png. The thumbnail will be better if you plan to populate this page with a lot of projects. I feel what you said, but maybe, sorry, maybe with time I'll add a bit of text under the project. So it will be project, title and description of the project, maybe revenue. So it will occupy a bit more space. So for now, I'll leave it like this, if that makes sense for you. All right, let's see how this looks. The link is not the right. What's going on? Something is wrong. So here we have /cover ebook cover.jpg. So the link is wrong. Oh. Yeah. So /images/ that. Okay. Where is it? All right, look at that. Pretty cool. The titles are describing the image text. Yeah, I know. And we also have this nice transition. How much time I'm going to stay alive? As long as depends on my energy. Today I have to go to the barber shop. Not barber shop, what do you call the place where they cut their hair? Not their hair, your hair. That place. At 2 p.m. and now it's 11:14. So in 2 hours ish, I have to go. All right, so that's cool. Maybe La Friseria, exactly. I have to go La Friseria. So if you don't know where that is, just Google it. Thank you, Madeline. Okay, so class name, I want some space above, so I put margin top. Six more. 10, I don't think we have 10. 12. Yeah. Barbershop is the right word, but Friseria works. Yeah, it was confusing because it's barber shop. It's like you're shopping for something, and barber, yeah. But thanks. sometimes it just my words are getting messed up. Okay, so now the nice thing with this is that, let's say in the future we're going to have a project where we do a SaaS, so SaaS Twitter tool, and yeah, we need another image. Let's quickly pick an image. Twitter SaaS. I just want to see how it will look if we have two projects or something. I need an image. I'll get this image. Copy image address. This is just an example, don't sue me. All right, let's see. Cool. And we can do space X 12. Space Y. All right. So the projects will, it kind of looks a bit small, right? So what if we increase it a bit? Where is it? So image, we need to max width XS MD. All right, looking better, right? I think this Canva image we did yesterday looks a bit, it has 1 pixel of white, 1 pixel line here. Is it live? Well, it will be. It will be live. All right, so that works. Also with time, or is it live this thing? Yes, we're live. So with time, maybe we can change this to a package JSON. No, sorry, a JSON file, not package JSON. A JSON file with the information. But as of now, it's fine. We don't only have one project. Maybe your idea of having a title and subtitle can be next to the image. In the future, maybe. Let's see, does it work? Yeah, look at that. Good. Good. And yeah, the links for other projects will maybe go to a... Oh, let's write some text here too. To let people know that these projects were built during the 0 to 100K challenge. Margin top 20. What if I do margin bottom 20? Too much? Whoa. Okay, and I guess this could be an H3 with a class name of text 3XL. Too much. 2XL and text H4. Alright, good. That would spread it across the page very nicely. Yeah. Maybe we can even fit 2 project blocks if they stay this width. If they stay this width. Or I can do SM, I think. No. I need to check. Max width SM MD LG. SM is smaller than LG. What's the specification of my PC? I don't know. All right, good. So this should. Does it matter if it's H3 or H4 with the classes? I don't know if it matters that much, honestly. I just like to use, so if I use text 5XL for H1, then as I'm going down H2, H3, I'm going to use 4XL, 3XL, 2XL. So you probably noticed that when I changed to H3, I also changed this from 3 to 2. You know, just to be consistent. So yeah, in this example, H2 will be 4XL and H3 will be 3XL. But yeah, this is on, as you can see, on mobile. On desktop, it's even bigger. I try to have some kind of a system, but oh well, doesn't work always. All right, so now we can go here, check the project. Yep. Future-proof code. Yeah, exactly. I noticed something. Did you notice how long it took to go to this page? Where is it? Come on. So yeah, it kind of takes a long, but look now, it's instant. Huh. I don't like that. Yeah. Oh well. This should be it for the blog. I spent way too much time. Let's go to the Notion page and update the things we did, shall we? Notion notes, to-dos. Let's see. Let me update this. Also, I don't think we have anything else to do on the blog, do we? Git add, git commit, edit projects, and edit projects, that's fine. Projects page, git push. All right, so this is done now. You should be able to see the changes in a bit. Now let's see. So we did this. We kind of did this, not sure if it works. The progress page for the challenge. Now this will be something I'll postpone. Create income predication and calculation. We can work on this now, figure out things. It's time to build our next product. How cool will it be to be able to build, like, in a week to build 5 products? What you did is like sending the project to GitHub? Yes. So I uploaded a project to GitHub. Let me go, and I think it's Make Money Dev. Whoa, that's cool. As you can see, it updated a minute ago, and because it's on Netlify, Netlify will see when the GitHub repository changes, and it will take the changes and update the site. So now if we go to Make Money Dev, not yet. Let me check the Netlify. Oh, netlify.com. I'll check here because I don't know if I'm logged in or not. Yeah, so if we go here, you can see that it's building. I was thinking more like day 1 and day equal product build and ship. Great build. Yeah, so as you can see now it's pushed. So now if we refresh, yeah, you can see that we have the projects. Yeah, the image is still, we need to optimize the images definitely. Do you know a tool which does this great? I mean, it took a while to update, to show the image, and that's not something I like. And let's see this link. Come on. So the link is not good. What is wrong? How would you gonna publish the website on the internet? Ooh. As I said, I upload it on GitHub, and Netlify is connected to my GitHub, so it will take the code, build the site, and there we go. Yeah, I have a tutorial on that. Let me find it for you. Netlify Florian Pop. Yeah, so it's a 2-minute tutorial. Tiny PNG tool. Yeah, I know that, but is it the most optimized tool we can use? Yeah, so this link, it's not working. And I have no idea why. Isn't it weird? Let me see. So yeah, look at the inspect. You can see that we have the ref to be just this. I mean, come on. Maybe because makemoney.dev. And it goes makemoney.dev/HTTPS. I have no idea. And it's weird. I'm going to ask on Twitter, maybe someone knows there. How do I do this? What? All right, and we have this. Yes, example. Yeah, I'll ask on Twitter to see what's happening. Have you set up the routes in such a way? I mean, I don't know if I haven't worked with the routes or anything. Not sure why it does this thing. Yeah, Daniel, you're right. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. But it probably because of that link. But how can then I push the person to go? Having a weird bug. Even though the link should go to the plausible URL, it creates a subpage link. No idea why is that. I want to have a link on my blog which goes to the analytics page on Plausible. And the link should go to the Plausible URL, it creates a subpage link. Alright. But the domain name at the end is likely causing the issue. Maybe. Maybe, baby. Alright, let me see something. Oh. Link to React/React link. Huh. I could try that. I could try to use the link component from Next.js. I'll give that a try. All right. Let's try that. I posted on Twitter. Maybe we'll get. You should not use a link component for external links. Yeah? Ah, okay. So that solves the problem. No? Are you sure? Yeah, maybe it's just the way the link is formatted. But you saw that even if I put, let's just make a test. We spent some time on this already, so let's just make a test. I'm going to put youtube.com/FlorinPop, right? And npm run that. So this should work, right? You just tested it on a Playground. It has similar problem with the target blank, but with target blank it works. I'm not sure what you mean. Because you said target blank twice. It's the same thing. Ah, my nose, it's itchy. All right, so now, yeah, look at this. So, see, it's the same thing. It goes to /YouTube/FlorinPop. So definitely not the URL is wrong here. It's something with, it has something to do with this link particularly, which is weird. These two are exactly the same. I broke the internet. I don't have anything else. It's just I broke the internet. That's all. That's it. What can we do? The link is not working. Why is not going to the link? Huh? What? I'll try the link component too. Link to path name, address, target blank. But yeah, let's check out Next.js external link. External link not working, Next.js. Okay. External URLs and any links that don't require route navigation don't need to handle with link. Use the anchor tag for such cases instead. Try that link, it's working. Which link you mean? If I just say youtube.com. What's going on? It's getting hot. Let me open the window. I honestly don't know what to do. I'll try the link, but they said that the link should not be used for external because the link handles the route inside the project, you know? Anyway, I'll just keep it like this and we'll figure out some other time. Let's work on something else. We need to be optimizing our time. Okay, I want to work on this. We'll be going over some numbers and stuff. Build a redirect component. Do you realize how much work is just for a link? Something's not right. It should work, especially if that Twitter link works, you know. So I don't feel like working too much on it because it feels weird. Yeah, I could build a redirect link, but hey, where's the image? Oh, okay. All right. Let's recap what we did today so far. Added a /projects page to the blog. HTTPS makemoney.dev/projects. Do we have? Should I write the sales too? It should work. Welcome to software engineering. That's a good one. Oh, I think I know. Thank you, Ziad. Hey, maybe it's because of the CSS. Damn it. Should I use a span around? Maybe because of the SpaceX here? That would be weird. Or maybe I'll use, you know what? I'll use a UL with allies. Don't mind my ugly code yet. Format. Okay. It would be great to show off day one earnings. Well, I think so far we have $45. But yeah, I'll keep you posted like this. Yeah, 45. It's funny enough, yesterday we made $10, but today 35. All right, let's see. This is the last time I'm trying to fix this bug. We spent an hour or so working on it. It's weird. Whoops. Yeah, the same thing. Nah, it doesn't work. Screenshot. Oh, a screenshot. Very interesting idea. I don't know if Notes supports screenshots. All right, let me remove all the classes. Like this. And this too, I guess. Whoops. No, it doesn't work. What's happening, man? Is it a weird? Maybe this? It's getting tiring. What happens if I create another link and another link and another link? Will they all have the same? And if I put this link, I'm just messing around with it now. This works. Why? Come on. Will this series be available? Yes. Is it accessible for beginners? Oh, more or less. You should have at least the basic knowledge of coding. What's going on? Why does it work? It's annoying. Just put it in the same paragraph as Twitter and try. It didn't work before. Look, this works. Dang it. And if I put now like YouTube. Alright. And if I change this to Florian Pop. Slowly but surely. Alright. And if I change now this to makemoney.dev. No. Plausible.io, I think is the link. I forgot. Alright. I'm checking, if you don't know, I'm checking the link here in the bottom. Hey, welcome. Okay, where is the plausible link? I need a link. Alright, plausible.io/makemoney.dev. So if this works, makemoney.dev, doing step by step, I'm going to What? No, okay, explain this. Someone explain this to me. What is working now? Is the class name? Which class name? I removed the... Oh, the class name font bold. I think it has to do something with caching. I mean, I removed back then all the classes. Which CSS? Space X4. Space X4, yeah. Yeah, let's go back to what we had. And this was a div. See? Caching issues in localhost. Yeah, I think that was it. And let's change this to, what was it, website stats? What? It's dumb. Anywho. See, it was so dumb. Silly to say the least. Let me write here. Why 4 spaces instead of 2? I just got used to it. Git commit I am facepalm. It's my website. I can put whatever comments I want. Alright, finally. Let's optimize the images too. Image optimize. If you are still here, what apps? Someone said TinyPic. Yeah, let's use this. I need the 2 images. Maybe your A wasn't closed properly. We can check the GitHub make money dev and we can see the history. Nice haircut. Yeah, I need to have another haircut. Where was it? In components. Yeah, I think. How do I see the comments? History. Right? Yeah. Added pages project. Yeah, see, it has the closing and the opening tag, so it should work. Oh, wow. Never mind. Not weird, but legendary, right? All right, I need this. Can I drag this image? Panda. Let's put this image here. Request is invalid. What? Drop your PNG. Okay, let's reveal in File Explorer. All right, compressed. Minus 85%, so that's whoa. And I also want the posts, this image. Reveal in File Explorer. Good. Goody, 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 goody. So now we... Okay. Tinified, sure. And I'm going to change those images and... Huh? Not working? Oh, extract. Okay. I'm doing this on the other screen. Replace. And notes. Replace. Try Squash for image compression. It's by Google, I think. I guess it's fine now. If we got 80-ish%, git commit. I guess git. Do we need git add? Git commit. Compressed images. All right, now it should be fast. Are you collecting DB in your email? I use ConvertKit, but for some reason it doesn't work, and I don't know why. Okay, good. So let's write added project page, added the Notion template, Notion Gumroad product to the projects page. Struggled with a dump link. LOL. I guess. DB in your email. I'm not sure. I said something wrong, right? You own data. Yeah, I have no idea what you say. All right. So what else we did? Oh, we can check the to-dos. To-dos. Let's see. So we created the Indie Hackers page. We updated the blog post. We added the products. Allowed visitors to see. And now we need to work on this. And I also want to work on this. Optimize the images. We did this. Progress page for the challenge. Yeah, this will be for Monday. We also need to start working on, okay, what project we're going to build to sell, right? So let's write this down too. Created an Indie Hackers page for the challenge. Can we find it? It's so hot now with the window closed, but with the window open it's noisy, so 1 second. All right. Hey, look at that. We have the nice image. It looks dumb, but well. All right. If you want to follow along on Indie Hackers, you can follow there. I'm going to put it here. So that's, yeah, Thank you, Samir, for your love. Love you too. I love you all. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. It's fun. Let me know if you enjoyed the challenge so far. To be honest, it was a bit boring because we had to set up everything and work through the project, work through the challenge idea and all that. But yeah, hopefully with time it will get more exciting. But this is how the live streams will be. Like, you'll see everything, even when I struggle for an hour to fix a dumb link. But yeah, cheers. Okay. Yeah, let me sit down, because the next bit will be important. Can you hear the music? I'm wondering if it's too loud or not, or if you can even hear it. I can remove this. A little, it's okay. No. Yeah, it's fine. All right, good. I mean, I kind of wanted to have something to, like, you can listen to if I don't talk. What's your advice to someone who wants to learn coding? You can watch YouTube tutorials and YouTube courses to get the basics of a programming language, code along, and yeah, build projects. That's the best way to learn. To be honest, even though I know the basics, like JavaScript, CSS, I know my way around them, like even the theory and a lot of things, React and all that, but I haven't built a lot of, to be honest, I don't remember building a project which I sold on my own, right? Using these technologies, which I kind of know, but I don't know them that well to sell something, because I haven't done it before, you know? So this challenge is also for me to build stuff, and build stuff which has potential to sell, you know? Yeah, I'm getting sleepy. What's the time? 12 p.m. almost. Where are you from? Chat, where I am from. Alright. Focus on to-do projects. Yeah. Just a second. I have to mute this. Okay, so that was Wi-Fi. Della Romanica. Romanian buddy, Israel. Sounds German. Yep, but no. Wonderful Romania. That's right, we have a wonderful country. All right, so we kind of need to figure out, okay, if we're going to build something, what's the how can I'm thinking, what's the I forgot the word. The predictions, I guess. So let's imagine we build a SaaS and we charge $10 a month. How many users we need, or how many months in order to make the 100K, right? Okay, so let's create a page and we call it predictions and calculations. And this, what would you use for something like this? Math, calc. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. All right, let's imagine we're selling a website template. How much people pay for a website template? Let's go to TeamForest. And let's see a site template, a simple site template. All right, so we can see 9, 30, 14, 24, 20, 25. So can we safely say that we can sell for like $15? What do you say, chat? So $15, $20 maybe for a personal. Let's see this. Look, so a personal portfolio page. Let's preview it. What is it about? So now we're just trying to see what can we do and what would be expected for us to make. All right, but look at how many pages it has. Variants, particle demo. I will be yawning a lot, probably. All right, so yeah, it has, I think it's a landing one page website. It has how many sections? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the footer. So 6, 7 sections. Yeah, creative team sells these templates for upwards to $50. Yeah, but they do a really good job. And they have professional designers, so we also need to account for stuff like that, you know. I'm not a good designer. Maybe I can hire someone to do this and I do the HTML, CSS. So yeah. And the news, it has a blog. Oh, look at this. Yeah, so it's not very, very, very complicated, right? And what's the difference? Slider demo. Oh, it has a slider variant too. Nice. Yes, but the rest of the site is the same. Okay, and this website sold where it says 384 cells. Florine, no spending, please. Only use free tools. Why? I mean, sometimes you've got to spend money to make money. It's just how business works. You can do for free, but it will take more time. For me, it will take time to learn to design very nicely, maybe. So, all right. So this sells for 25, but then 14. So 14 times 384, $5,000 for a template. And we probably need a week to build something like that. More or less, depends on how many hours they put in. Yeah. All right. So yeah, let's go back here. So website template. Usually goal price would be between 50 and someone said 50, but that rate needs to be really, really good. So I'll put $30. All right, so let's do some predictions. Let's see, how should we phrase this? So for $50. We need come on. We need to sell those prices are highway robberies, Florin. Why do you mean why do you mean that? Or I'm not sure. Alright, so let's see. If you want to make $100,000 divided by 15, we need to sell 666,066. Uh, 606,066 copies, right? I mean, this is the scenario where I'm only going to do this. They're extremely cheap for full-time template. Yeah, but because it's the market, right? All right. So then if we sell it for 25, then I think to make 100K. And well, we're going to play around. Is this monthly sub or one-time payment? What type? Sorry if I'm yawning, don't mind me. So let's do again. 25, 4,000 copies. 4,000 copies. Whoa. Come on. All right. Predictions for making 100K. Okay, good. And well, for 30 is double, it's half. And now the idea is that in order to sell 4,000 copies, we also need to market it, and we need probably need a design to pay a designer. And where do we get a market for to have 4,000 people to buy? You know, in order to have 4,000 people to buy, you need a lot of visitors. I'm thinking. Just give me some seconds to think about. I would say make a team templates, few templates before the landing page, business count, each includes in single buy of 50 maybe. Yeah, that could be another idea. So multiple templates, you can buy them individually or you can buy them all for $50 or a subscription. But I feel like for subscriptions you need to provide value over time. Although, even with subscriptions, let's say we can create a marketplace and we can pay someone to do some templates. So we can build the initial ones and then pay someone to build a template with the design and the code and everything. We go over it, we change it, and we adapt it. And we can charge a monthly subscription. You can sell them on multiple sites too. Oh yeah, another thing. So even if you sell for $14 or $15, the marketplace takes takes a lot. Let's see. So this is just Envato market. Payment schedule. Bring your own design. Find designers on GitHub. Yeah, this, what you're saying, Vid. Can I call you Vid 300? I don't know what to call it. Yeah, that's another thing. Let's say we want to go up to 10K. So if you go up to 10K, then we only need this much, right? Which is manageable. Yeah. I don't like the Flooring Pop team because your brand is based on dev education. I don't think any dev would buy a website template, would they? Yeah, you're right. So that's another thing we have to consider. Like, should I build projects which are tailored for my current audience, which are mostly developers, beginner developers, the majority, you know? It's good to be free, but so yeah, as you said, you're right. I won't sell templates for beginner developers, but maybe someone who is more experienced and they want to do it fast. So they get for example, a freelancer. A freelancer. A freelancer might buy the template and use it to make a website for a client and charge 4 figures, 5 figures. Probably 5 not, but aiming templates at developers could be successful. However, with the rise of Tailwind, creating really nice websites is an achievable goal for most. Freelancer, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Although so if we go to Tailwind UI, .com, yeah, I have it. So can I log out so you can see? Saying out, yeah. Yeah, so you can see where is it? Pricing. You can see they charge a nice premium for their package, which is, yeah, well, they are good. So they are the creator of Tailwind CSS, Adam. And they charge a nice price, but they made a lot in sales. I think I've heard the podcast where they made like $1 million in a month from this at the beginning when they launched. So it's definitely, there could be a market. Even I bought the template because I liked it. I haven't used it though, so yeah. Premium model always work. I know what you mean. We'll try freemium maybe with something else. If I'm going to build a template, will not be freemium. Maybe with another website, for example, the QuizyDev website that will have freemium. It will be free, but with pro features. So let's start Marketplace Dev. Yeah, Tailwind UI is not a template. Agree. Yeah, it's a collection of components. So 5% conversion rate on the template business will require 80,000 impressions, not a readily available goal, but with a concise and clear market would be possible. Yeah, so this is the interesting part about this challenge, because I'm not looking to make money fast. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking to try out as many things as possible, even if it takes a year or two, or I don't know. I could just make this be my regular thing. And I'll try ideas, and I just know that if you shoot a lot of darts, or you throw a lot of darts, sorry, you'll eventually hit the bullseye. And I'm fine with that. You people have some crazy ideas sometimes. Let's even go for 35. Let's see. I'm going to build a simple project. Yeah, we said that for 10k, 35, 285 copies. Check out Crip. Yeah, I think I've heard of it. HTML, Vue, and React templates for startups. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, this is something interesting. Although they have a lot of templates here. By unlimited access. Yeah, something like this could work. Although for something like this, I might need a designer. Not a might. I would need a designer. And look at that, HTML, React, Vue, Sketch. This seems like a whole business already. They have a newsletter. Let's see the creators. Okay. This also shows that even 40,000 impression could make 50k. 20,000 would make 20k. I suggest going for small business owners as they want cheap web solutions, and a $50 template will seem nice to them. $50 and $50 to set it up. Yeah, so this is one creator and the other one. I also have some friends who do stuff like this, templates. But look at all this will take weeks to work on. Something like this, so complex. Because you have to support all browsers, or as many browsers as possible. Yes, but take inspiration from Crip to build something simpler, narrow down on a niche to target the smallest bracket you can. I don't know, for some reason I like the idea of building personal portfolio website using Tailwind. Not landing page, although yeah, let's just I'm thinking. Let's what I want to say. Website templates. Yeah. I'm going to create this, turn this into a page. Can I? Turn into page. New subpage. Yeah, look at that. Fun. All right, so we can copy what we had here, because I like the idea. All right. Personal website template. But how many non-dev people you know build personal sites on their own? Selling to devs will require a little more upkeep and not sell and move on. That's actually interesting. Building a marketplace will be too much work for now. I don't want to start with something so big because I'll most likely fail, and I want my first thing to be a win. Even if it only sells a few copies. This is how I'm thinking. Create something in a relatively short period of time, try it out. If it works, like, work on it more, expand it if it's working. If it's worth it, expand on it to get more clients and stuff. But if not, use the experience from the first project to be able to do better the second project. People who need portfolios: designers, photographers, business people. Yeah. So let's this is not prediction. What is this? Calculations, right? Calculations. Yeah, so MVP, does it work? Build on it. If it doesn't work well, we learn something, move on. I'd even go as far as trying 4 project ideas in a month, seeing if they take off. If they do, then that's good. If not, just keep building. Try different ideas out until something sticks. So I have the time. I don't have the knowledge, but I want to learn that, so we can learn together. And yeah, it's just a matter of trying, and I don't want to spend months on a project, especially not the first one. Because if it doesn't pay out, I spent the months and it's not worth it, you know? MVP stands for minimum viable product. So basically, let's say you want to build the next social media app. Instead of building the next Facebook with all the features, you just build the main features of the project, launch it, and see. You get feedback from the users, you change it, you update it, and then you go along with that. Yeah, small product as a proof. I just remembered something on Indie Hackers. Yeah, it says I wanted, because this, if I think they approved it. Did they? Where can I see? Not top stories, top milestones. Someone sees milestones here? Milestones. Launch the challenge and the live stream. So let's change the title to where is it? Edit. Launch the 0 to 100k challenge. Challenge live. All right, because now this looks a bit more interesting, especially here. Launch the 0 to 100k live challenge. If someone is on product Indie Hackers, just upvote this. I'm hacking my way to the top. All right. Good. So I still have in mind this idea of building a page where you can go in and put numbers and get all these these numbers for you. How do you call it? Generated. What do you think? Just building a project where you enter, okay, I want to make this a month, and the price is this much. You just enter the numbers and you get how many copies you need to sell, blah, 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 blah. I want to build that, so let's build it. Okay, I'm going to get I have a kind of a whiteboard. Done. What's done? Upvoted. Oh, thank you. So I have this, which is a kind of a notebook, but it's like a whiteboard. So you can write on it and you can delete. So earning calculator, nice product. Yeah. And earning calculator to goal setting. This could be a first product. And we can have a link to the challenge or something. Let's get it done. All right, let me design it. Like design the rough. Can I do it on my computer so you can see too? What's the best way? Oh. Yeah. You'd like 10%. Well, I'm giving you my time. That's more valuable than money, so take that. You should pay me. Yeah, I hope you find it interesting though. So, hey Ivan, welcome. All right. Yeah, let's work it here. Let's create. This will be our, and maybe we can find a way to monetize it. I don't know if we can, but it could be a mock-up website online. Yeah, let's just top pages. I'm going to delete this. Yeah. For some reason, I don't like it. And I'm going to create another project. This will be a page. Projects. Subscription model of like $5-10 a month. It has to be really valuable to be paid. But for now, let's start with a simple, just a landing page where you go and enter the numbers and you see them change, update real time, and maybe with time we can find, maybe we can go sponsors and stuff like that. Ooh, that could be fun. All right, projects. I'm going to make this a table. And first we're going to have, yeah. How should we call it? A minus. Prediction calculator. Earnings calculator. Yeah, earnings calculator. Ecal. Or yeah, ecal. Yeah. To make X, you need to earn per day, per week, per month, blah blah blah. Yeah, you see how nice this is? Like, we need something for us to figure out, and then we can build the tool we need. Maybe can monetize it. This is what I like about indie hackers. They search it up and it's taken. Oh boy. Do we have stuff like this? Earnings calculator. Even if I do, I want to build it. Earnings, salary, compound interest, YouTube money calculator, salary calculator, chia calculator. How much can earn farming chia? That's funny. What's this? YouTube money. Yeah, so something like this. Project earning calculator. Search that. Project earning calculator. Estimated earnings with calculator. Finance formulas. Tax calculator. Yeah. Nah, it doesn't. Indie hackers calculator. Calculator indie hackers. No. Millionaire calculator for indie hackers. Would you like to know how you need to price a service to earn $1 million in 100 days? Ah, see, we found something. Let me close the door. Okay. Welcome me, Florian. Oh, welcome. Ajib. Retirement calculator. Alright, let's see what this is. Whoa, so this is exactly what we want to do. But we can do it too, just as it's broken, so we have to do it. Alright, so let's see. Total goal 1 million days, sales per day, product. How much you need to charge for your product to make 1 million by June. Okay, this is broken. We need to build this. And we need to build it in purple, right? Yeah, it's a pretty fun project. And it has... Come on! It's annoying. Cool project. There's some performance fixes. I can't change money input. The performance is invalid because it's actually simulating each day, but I got the freeze down to 1 second. What? Yeah. Well, Maxime, thanks for building this, but doesn't work. Would it cost money or guarantee sponsors? I think this will be a good free project which we can use to market the challenge, which then can turn into something interesting. Yeah, so I really like that project, but for some reason it doesn't work. So you are allowed to say how many days, how much sales per day, a product. What is it? Product or a monthly subscription? What's the difference? Oh, that's how much you need to charge for a subscription to make 1,000. That's how much you need to charge for a product to make. Oh, because you do it monthly. Okay, and yearly. This should be the same thing, yeah. Okay. Total revenue over time. Yeah, because it's an exponential thing, so. This breaks when I want to see this chart. Yeah, alright. Please share this tool if you found it helpful. I'll make a summer assault or two. What's a summer assault? What? Oh, I have this. Somersault. An acrobatic movement in which a person turns head over heels in the air or turn the ground. Nice. Oh, that's just a million calculator, not any amount target calculator. Yeah, we can have more features to this. Yeah, thanks Maxime for building something like this. But it's not perfect. I guess we can... Yeah, so you can select days, the product. You can't... I'd like to have something like, okay, change the product price and say how many days. But maybe it has income mode. Project X price, sales per day. Oh, okay, so it has something like this. Nice. I like the graphs though. All right. Yeah, let's build something like this. I also saw somewhere a very nice, and I built for my friend, but what's the website now? Take the comments from indie hackers and use user feedback to improve it already. Yeah, let's just bookmark this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so not a lot of feedback though. Just give me a second. So I think design model had something which looked nice. For postcards. No. For slides. Or no? Some kind of an affiliate calculator where you saw if you sell this amount, you do this much and stuff like that. Well, this takes a long time. Affiliate program. Hey, DevBras. Yeah, earned 25 commission. And yeah, this is really nice. How much could you earn? Sell 100 copies of, yeah, whatever, per week, this roughly. I like this design. I built something like this before. If you sell 100 copies, you make this much per year. Yeah, could be a nice tool. Hey Florin, I have a lot of project ideas, but I don't know if they are lucrative or not. How to start? Any suggestions? Yeah, build something simple, build it fast, and see if it works. Share it on social media, get feedback, and yeah, that could. This page is trash. Ah, that's harmful. The idea is that I have to go in an hour. Okay, earnings calculator. Description. Let's just start working on it. Speedruns, project speedrun. Yeah. So input the number of sales, the price, and probably other stuff to get the needed time to make a sum, like 100k or so, or million, whatever. Thank you, Drake, for the comment. I'm glad that I could help. Hopefully these challenges will help people too. It says that 97 people are viewing. So if you're here, say hi, or bye, or why, or my, or what ends with I. Or I, say I. All right. So, good day. Let's see. Features. So basically we want to input the price, input the number of cells, get the we could also do by month, by, oh boy. Hello, so many people. Like 10 people replied. So where are the other 90? You're just listening, lurking around. So what we want, input the price of the project, price of product, input the number of cells per day or month or year, no, or week or month, I guess. Week or month. And get the We could either do a graph which will show, okay, how much money you'll make in a month, 2 months, a year, 10 years, or you could just input the time available or the required amount, the required revenue, and get the time or revenue in time, something like that. Get the target too. All right. Yeah. That's the thing. What variables do we have? Do we have the price of the product, and we want to find out the time it takes to get to a point, or we want to find out, okay, if I sell 10 copies, then in a year I'll make this amount. That defines then what. I need the window opened again because it's hot. Or the door. Option to add multiple products. Yeah. That could be extra features. Multiple products, graphs, SaaS, SaaS income with all the nitty gritty, how do you call it? Like for the SaaS, you also have to put in the churn and all the. Just a second. All right. Good. Goody. Whoops. All right. And with time, we can update this. Like, let's imagine how we can monetize this. Whoa. We can have sponsors to just be in the page, because the page gets, if the page will get a lot of views, or we could have, we can sell it, I guess, although I don't know if I want to sell it necessarily. I just want to sell the tool. A subscription for selling the tool, monetizing options, sponsor selling the tool for X amount, or selling a subscription for premium features. And in this case, I don't know what will be a premium feature, but we'll see. All right, let's see. I think I can work later today too, maybe, or we'll leave it for Monday. We also need to do the tasks for Monday, and I have for 15 minutes. Clock is ticking. Did you hear that? All right. Let me create a new project. This will be earnings calculator. And I can open this. Here. All right. I'll do a simple HTML and JavaScript project. Nothing complex now. Style CSS. All right. We do a boilerplate. We write earnings calculator. Your barber. That's funny. Your barber is honking. No, that was good. A good one. Okay, and we need a link, the style.css, and we need a script, source script.js, and I think I used to put defer here. All right, use Vue. I don't know Vue, so I'll use. I might convert this to React later, but for now, all right. What's a good tool to boilerplate design of something? The Canva, I guess. And I'll use, I don't know, custom size. Should fit in a screen, so it should be 120 by 2000, something like that. Yeah, this looks like a page, right? Okay. Oh, Figma. Yeah, that would be better for me to use. But now Canva is good. Okay. So we'll have a text, earnings calculator, make it smaller, 64. Good, you go up there. All right. Let's look at the. I keep shutting things down. All right, so this. Okay, so you need to input the price of the project. So we need an input field for the price. Yeah, so let's just say price of the product. Prop something smaller though. Price of price. Right, we put it here, and we need an input field like elements. This might be the worst. The worst design ever, but well. Alright, so the price. And we can put it here. Back. Group. Okay, the price. The number of sales. Okay. All right. I'm not judging the design. Hey, Adrian, you can help us. So you're building the project completely today, and how are you planning to monetize? I'm going to sell you a copy for $100,000. Okay, and then we get the. What do we want to know? Let's look again. Input the number of sales, the time available, or the required revenue. Yeah, let's put another thing, required revenue. Required revenue. Expected. Okay. And then we'll have here a nice here will be the result. Okay. Or the text. No, it will be a text. Something like you make you'll make X amount in, and we'll have just some sort of a field here. In blank, and then don't judge me in this years. All right. This is so dumb, but funny at the same time, like exciting. All right. How about this? You'll make $1, which will be your expected revenue. And this could be another block. You'll make your amount. You'll make expected time. Did I say that it will take time, or we say how much time we have? Number of cells per what? Per day? So many things. Yeah, I'll just put years here. All right. It's not the worst, but yeah. Good. So let's build this. We need a container. Oh, I kind of want to use Tailwind. So let me get a Tailwind CDN, although don't use this usually. All right, I need this. So we don't need much of a style. Hey Florian, have an idea. A feature that shows or predict the future revenue graph. Yeah, that will be a feature we can add. All right. So we have container. I forgot the styles and everything. Let's just open a live server so we can see what we have here. Let me close the window again. Okay. Yeah. Good. So we'll have here an H1 earnings calculator. Class will be text 5XL. And I want this to be M auto, so in the center, and I want this to be text center also. Good. Oh, margin Y X. Hey, Florian, is that Ergo chair? No, it's from Autonomous. Okay, good. So now we need, whoa, where is the design? All over the place, man. Yeah, so price, input, number, input, expected, input, and we'll get This will be input fields, number type, and we'll update these when you change these, which will be a really nice thing for React. So yeah, let me put this here again and do this again. All right. Okay. Okay, this will be label plus input. Label for first is price. So the type is number, ID, price. And this will be price of product. Yeah, let's style it so it will look good. Border, rounded. Yeah, kind of need to make it bigger. Would you recommend to consider the price? Yeah, I'm happy with it. Okay. Class. Text Excel to Excel. I want it to be big and nice and bold, and not necessarily bold, but all right. And this container, do we have container? Container, no. So max weight to Excel. Alrighty. Okay, this will be class flex. Justify between get. How are we going to monetize it? We'll see. First, it will be a free product, because a free product, and in the footer we can say build in this challenge, and we can link to the blog, and people might go to the blog and stuff like that. But let's just build the project first, have it look somehow decent. P3, okay, justify between items center. Yeah, doesn't look the best yet. I have on the body class BG purple 100. I'm not a good designer. 3XL. Okay, and MI 12 get. Oh, yeah, let's put a placeholder for what the price, 30. Okay. I want this to be here too. Whoa. That's big. Quite big. Ah, 30. Yeah, I understand what you say, Crypto Bro. But this is just a dummy project, not serious, just something to get up and running, and it's not the plan to monetize it and make money out of it, out of this project. It's just a dummy project which could be monetized probably later. But number of cells. Number of cell, yeah, cells per day. Let's write this. Whoa, doesn't look good. Okay, this could be sales, placeholder 10. Okay, I need these here and here. This is the second one was expected revenue. Expected revenue. Expected. Expected. 100,000. All right. Let's put another div around. And give it a class of space y 4. All right, good. Yeah, text like working on. Yeah, with time we'll add more stuff like that. Thanks for the suggestion. Okay, I want the label to have text, right? Huh, does it work? Not the label, sorry, the input. All right. So here too and here too. Okay. It's not the best. What if I change this to 2XL? And this to be PY2 PX4 like that, and maybe a fixed weight. For now it's okay. Expected revenue per watt. Expected total revenue then. Okay, and underneath here we'll have the text. Expected time to earn. I don't like the wording. It could be improved. Time required. Yeah, time required X years. Okay. So I'll put a paragraph, time required, and this will be a span, years. Fine. Class text 3XL, class margin top 6. Oh, I want this to be text center. I want the span to be an inline block. Background purple 200. Padding to the same thing. Padding Y2. Padding X4. Okay. And this will be just 3 years. Doesn't look the best. I'll give you that. Okay. Yeah, now let's just make this work. So price of the product. And this is placeholder. And once we change these, should work there. So 300 it takes in 1 day, and we want to make 100. Yeah, we can say days. Divide by 300. This will be days. It will be easier to say days. And we'll add more complicated stuff because just doing this will be easy to do on a calculator. So we need to add more details and more visualizations and graphs and stuff like that. But for now, let's just link it. So we have IDs price, sales, expected, and here we'll have a result, days. Okay, so we have these and days, and we'll do oops, not this. Okay, get element by ID like that. Okay, so for these three we'll need add event listener, change. To be honest, I forgot how to code. Okay, so price. On price, we want to run the update result function. Okay, function update result. This will take the values. Okay. That value? No. Is it value? I forgot. How do you get the value from the input? This is, yeah, that value. No? Might be wrong though. Let's try it. I haven't been coding in a while, so I forgot the basics. Alright, good. But we don't need on change, we need key down. Oh, key up. Alright, good. Works. You can. Yeah, I agree. So you can add accounts, let people save revenue models, unlock advanced graphs, statistics by paying fee. Yeah, I agree that it can be. All right. So shall we have a default? Yeah, let's just have a default value. So value 10, value 30, value 100,000, and by these calculations, or let's put something which will be a nice round number, 25. So calculator 100,000 divided by 250 will be 400 days. So we'll put this to be 400. So now we start by having, and when we change, we do the math and we update. So I saw Simon, he said something about you can get directly the value, the number value. Simon, he posted something recently. Just let me see. Node value, node number. Yeah, this one. Target value as number. Value as number. I'm curious if this works. Oh, but now it doesn't work on change. Can we have double here? Let's see. Double event listener JavaScript multiple events. Google. Click mouse over. Click mouse over. Hidden is the best, but I think you should use input instead. Oh, input. Ah, that was the one. Thanks. I forgot about it. Input. All right. Ah, ha, 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 ha. So good. Nice. So now this works. And what we need to do is to set days that, let's calculate. Days, const days. Oops. We need const here too. Okay. Days will be price value times sales, expected value. So expected value divided by price value times sales value. And then days value. This is just, yeah. This is the days element, more like that. Days. And then we can say days element that inner HTML will be days. All right, so this should work. Yeah, pretty cool. And let's make it so that it's fixed to, so we don't have too many. Nice. And if we change this to $200,000, yeah. Oh, it's not the best thing yet, but it's something that works and we can work upon it. So if we have a product for $30 and we sell an average of 10 sales, we make $100,000 in 335 days, right? Yeah, that seems about right. Time required to earn the expected revenue. And that's a long text. All right. I'm okay. Can't say I'm the most happy about the project looks and everything, but yeah. Put the P down the days. Put the P down the days. I don't know what you mean. Or even a small FAQ down. No idea what you mean, put the P. Or the small FAQ down. Yeah, so. Okay. The long text. Oh, this should be down. Sorry. I'm tired, so probably doesn't make sense for me now, but all right. Yeah, I like the tool. Okay. Let's try to wrap up things now. Let's see. So I need to say what I did in the data recap. created an earnings calculator, a basic earnings calculator. Okay. We might need to make a link for it. So yeah, let's put the to-dos. Create a list of important tasks for March. This needs to be next. Create income prediction and calculations. We kind of did this. Let's put create an earnings calculator. Like that. Create a list of important tasks for Monday. That's next page. Okay. This still doesn't work. WordKit. Let me see. Yes, no new subscribers, which is weird. All right. So for Monday, let's figure out what we want to do. For the note, I want something here. Okay. So we can add more features to this calculator, like maybe design it nicely, add some, I'd say predefined fields already, so you can just click it and have it nicely looking nice. Yeah, the footer, we need the footer for the project here to say we built it during, and yeah, the design is so basic. This looks better probably. Yeah, to this. So improve design on the earnings calculator. Add new features to the EC later, like that. Some hover effects on the inputs. Yeah. Progress page for the challenge. Might remove this for now. I'm thinking progress page. I will have daily recap, so. Okay, this is important. I want to remove it. Okay. So yeah, Monday we'll work on this earnings calculator, see if we can get something out of it. What else? Oh, that's a good starting point. Alright. Do you want it to work on the fly or have a button calculate and then it calculates results? Yeah, I want it to work on the fly. Also, create a product page for earnings calculator. We need to upload it somewhere so people can use it. It will be nice. Oh, sorry. Make money dev, and the projects, when you go here and click on it, should open a tab, and we have the pro. That could work nicely, I guess. Well, we'll see. That's the thing for Monday. To bring this to a better state and have it be useful for indie hackers. And we'll post it on Indie Hackers and get some feedback. Okay. This is done. Daily recap. Maybe if somewhere of recent calculated that the user inputted in the calculator. Yeah, that could be too. Let's write down. Some of you had some ideas, so let me write them down. Accounts, save, revenue models, graphs, statistics. So yeah, accounts, saving accounts with saving functionality. We have graphs, accessing comp review. Okay. Yeah, and if we add these, I think we can charge premium already. If we make it look good and be useful for people they want to generate like graphs of the revenue, maybe import stats from sites like Gumroad, close prediction. Although I think they're working on Gumroad to a tool which will do all of these. But yeah, interesting project. All right. I think that's it for today. I'm not sure what else should we do. A feature to add custom branding so they can use for personal internal purposes. Yeah, I'll I mean, the project can have its own site with the domain name and everything, and then pitch it to Gumroad once finished to see if they buy it. Yeah, that could be. Like, I'm okay to, if I build a tool, to just sell it for someone for a couple of K, maybe, who knows how much. If it's good enough, provides value. I don't want to hold on it and make sales if I can find an exit, like sell it and be done with it. So yeah, that could be good. All right. Thanks all for joining. I hope you enjoyed it. Another 3 hours or so. We'll see again. I'll see you again next Monday, the same hour. And yeah, you can join the Discord server if you want to hang out. It's not very active right now, but hopefully we'll bring it up to life again. Yeah, I'm tired. But it's fun. I like this. I like the fact that we can work on something and then figure out ways to monetize it. And yeah, good. Had to wake up at 5 AM to catch 1 hour. Aww, sorry. Yeah, it's hard to figure out a way to please everyone, you know? And because of that, I decided to pick a time which works for me. So I want to be active in the morning, to have the evenings free. And maybe sometimes I'll do 2 streams. See, I'm sleepy already. Oh, and I have to go to the barbershop soon. Getting a new haircut because the hair is too big. Alright. Yeah, I don't expect people to wake up at 5 a.m. I'm going to make a recap video of what we did today. And yeah, people can follow along like that. Alright. I'm trying to figure out if this first project shave that. If this first project can be something we can monetize, or we can just use it as a way to get more attention to the project. Please keep this live stream up. I mean, I can keep it up, but I won't be here. Oh, like that. Yeah, it will be up until the next video will go live. The recap for today will go live. And after that, you'll find it in the playlist. Oh boy, I'm tired. I need a break. Yeah, thank you everyone for joining. Thank you for the tips, tricks and everything. I said tricks 2 times. Yeah, I'm done. I'm dead. Have a great day. Bye.